So I made a couple of mistakes here. I should have took the drain plug out of the oil pan, because now that it's filling up with oil, I'm gonna have to fish that out later with a magnet, and I'll do that down the line in the video. You'll see that. And when I'm taking off the oil filter, I guess I should have had some rubber gloves on so the oil wouldn't be all over my hands. So some may ask, why didn't I use a compression washer or even go buy a new drain plug? But the reason why is my wife's car has a leak, so I would have to get an oversized drain plug, but I don't want to go through all that. So instead I just use this RV gasket maker or whatever for high temperatures. I just put that around the screw that in, and it won't leak. It's been working for the last 5 or 6 oil changes I've been doing, so I don't think I'll stop. Now, one of the biggest mistakes is when I'm trying to pour the oil back into the container, so when I drop this off at the store to return the bad oil so they can dispose of it properly, I can't see below of what I'm doing. I know it's windy, I know it might be spilling like a couple drops here and there. That's why I'm on this pan, just in case it does. I can clean it up. But I didn't know as much was coming out as you can see here. But eventually I figured that out and I stopped, cleaned it up. Try to go a little bit slower, but you can still see it's dripping. So I guess I'll just change this up the next time I do an oil change. Now I changed oil plenty of times on this car. The reason why I decided to do the pour method is because one time when I went to go drop off the oil, the people said they didn't have time to pour the oil out, so I would have to come back and get my container, because I have a different container that, you know, the oil goes into, and it's like a closed off system, so you can put it in your trunk, drive around. You don't have to worry about the oil splishing all around or whatever. But that was one of the reasons why I was like, okay, let me come up with a different method. But I guess what I could have done is just still put it in that container and still use that container to pour it out, and maybe it'll be a lot less messier. And that's what I'll try next time.